Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. It's your sister Zainab here. So for those watching my videos, you guys know that I love peppers. It's not first time making this recipe, but the reason why I'm repeating it's because I have never had cauliflower. So today we are adding cauliflower, plus I'm going to show you guys another way to cook this recipe. So hope you guys enjoy, and if you do, don't forget to like, subscribe to my channel if you haven't subscribed, and if you just subscribed, thank you so much. And of course, let's just jump into the video. Okay guys, so here it's my vegetables. I have cut them and washed them. They are clean. So in this bowl is mix of red, yellow and green pepper, and here I've got medium onion which I slice. It's very thin slice guys. Yeah, and here I've got cauliflower and broccoli. I mix them, and then here we got carrots. And the spicy which I'm gonna be using is not much. I've got this mild and spicy. It's yeah, it's this one here guys. It's mild and spicy curry powder. Yeah, and it's 1 teaspoon here. I've got chicken, Norok chicken cubes. I'm gonna use 2 because I don't want to add salt. Yeah, this Norok is salty, so I won't add salt, but I'm still gonna test when it's ready. If we need more salt, I will add. Yeah, so we got garlic, 3 cloves of chopped garlic, and in here we got oil for cooking and a teaspoon of paprika. So let's get started. Okay guys, so first I'm gonna steam the vegetable in this pot. I have add some water because I don't have steamer. I'm gonna use the pot that's just normal pot to steam my vegetables. So first I'm gonna add carrots because it takes long to cook. I'm gonna let it boil alone first for about 10 minutes, maybe less than that. When it start boiling, maybe 5 to 7 minutes, and then I'm gonna add the rest of vegetable except onions. So I'm gonna just cover that and let it boil. Okay, we are back. I give it 5 minutes. It's after 5 minutes. Now I'm gonna go ahead and add broccoli and peppers. So here it's no water guys. I'm gonna slow the flame, and yeah, I think I have to add just a little bit of water. We don't need too much water. We don't need water at all, just a little bit so my pot don't burn. I'll mix that together. Okay, I'm gonna let it boil for another 5 minutes. Okay, we are back. It's after 5 minutes now. I think our vegetables are done. Yes guys, as you can see, there's no water. They have dried. So now I'm gonna just set this aside and bring another pot. I'm gonna use my favorite pot or pan. I will add oil first. We're gonna heat the oil first and add the garlic. I think the oil is hot. I'm gonna add garlic. We're gonna fry garlic for about 1 minute before adding onions. As you can see guys, it's turning brown. Let's just add our onion. It's gonna fry together. Just fry for 2 minutes. Don't have to be brown, you guys. The onion don't have to be brown, just to soften. 2 to 3 minutes. Okay guys, so it's after 3 minutes. I'm gonna add my spicy paprika, curry powder. I will fry this for 1 minute. At this point, if your vegetable doesn't have some water, then you can add water, but my vegetable has a little bit of water. I'm not gonna add water. As you can see guys, it has some water, so I don't need to add more water. Mix it. And now I'm gonna slow the flame. I just love the color, guys. It's so beautiful. Now I'm gonna go ahead and add the chicken cubes, the Norok chicken cubes. I'm gonna mix that together. Okay guys, so I'm gonna cover and let it simmer for about just 2 minutes. Okay guys, so it's after 2 minutes. Let's open it and check. So vegetables is done. I'm gonna just off the flame. So I thought the fish is gonna be a great combination with this with everything here. Looks really nice. Looks really nice. Let's taste. I just want to taste the vegetables alone first. It's so good. It's really good, really yummy. If you do like this video, don't forget to give your sister a thumbs up, and I will see you guys in the next video. Allah Hafiz. Bye.